Mema wana akwa baba me channel do. Wei yɛ Absolute GA channel ni. Aha yɛsua nneɛma bebree ɛhwɛ dɛm channel yi a ɛbɛsua nneɛma bebree a daakye ɛde bɔbɔ wo bra anaa mprempren ɛde bɔbɔ wo bra. Aha yɛkyerɛ me sɛ wɔyɛ detergent. Biribiara a wɔde yɛ cleaning, ɛde clean wo fie a hɔto biara ɛbɛsua bi wɔ ha. Mesa wɔyɛ tiri sradze. Mesi ma wɔyɛ sradze a wɔde sra. Yɛsan yɛ ma training nso. Yɛbɛtum yɛaba wo fie na yɛaba abɛkyerɛw sɛ ɛpɛ dɛ yɛba na yɛbɛbɛkyerɛw a. Nti ma wɔn akɔ aba. So these are the ingredients we will need for our black seed and moringa, black seed oil and moringa hair conditioner. So this is paraffin oil. This is softener or Dychort A. This is glycerin. This is our black seed oil. This is my moringa water. SLS powder or SLS rice powder. This is Nitrosol powder. This is Menthol crystal or poho. Stearic acid. Borax. Croda wax. Cetyl alcohol and then benzoate. And also you also need water. You can add perfume if you want, or you can eliminate perfume. Nti mesusu mi bibi ewie. Nti mame baba yen de mereba mix me nitrosol powder no or thickener powder no. Ame ya me hyada anya ahoze na wozi nunununu bebree. Na say nitrosol powder no so anka mfre ye ya. Eyo otumi ye nkotoa. Nkotoa no so oye mpo abotum na aso no do but ame ya normally no se me use nitrosol powder ya bibia eya metaa me whisk ansa na me de aye maze kra me peda me ze. Nti no I'm whisking my nitrosol powder so that I don't get lumps in the nitrosol to affect the hair conditioner that I'm going to make. So if you are a lazy person like me or if you are not strong like me, this method is very easy for you. It's also on my channel, how to mix nitrosol powder. You can find it on my channel. So at this point, I added my preservative to it, to the nitrosol powder and mixed. I've shot this video for almost 2 months now, but editing was also a problem. Even I couldn't add the ingredients and the quantity on the screen as I always do, so it will be in the description box. Kindly go there and check. Nti no baby amedri me ba mix me borax no. Na borax na na ba mix ni e de hot water. E be hot water na e de borax ni de ekum na aka afra. Me use 500 ml of water and I made the mixing me borax. So I'm now mixing my borax with hot water and stir. Nti me wie ne na me de si nkyɛn na me tua maaze no do. Nti no baby amedri so me de me croda wax, cetyl alcohol, na onye me stearic acid. Me de besi gya do na ma nanen kakra. Or there edris gya do or there ehwe chance no. Onye dem ma chance no mu do bebree. Anya dem a obopu nwusu. So I'm now going to melt my cetyl alcohol, croda wax, stearic acid on fire. Please, when you are putting it on fire, make sure the saucepan is not too hot to produce smoke like you have seen in the video. It is the Yamatory Gumery, a bottom na enunum, and also there a bottom ne a giant nankasa one nan kakan kakra. You can stir or allow it to melt on its own gradually. It's stearic acid na me wax sanana na ewie no. Me de me white oil no so me za acetyl alcohol na de no ho. E na ono nso me ka afra kakra. Enti me wie yi no, anka oda me de me softener no me de ka ho na nso me wie free. Enti ma fa softener na anka ho ansa. Enti no me de me borax solution na e na me de hot water me de mix si wo no. Ono e na me de gum. Enso ka oda me de softener no me de gum first as I me de borax na me de aka ho na me de sigya do ma wo ehuru kakra
ansa na metue. Nti no sɛ woyɛ firi biribi a ɔnkyerɛ dɛ adze no ɔasɛe. Sɛ woyɛ firi softener no a still na ebotum na ɛde ayɛ ma ɛpɛ dɛ ɛyɛ. Nti seesei no medze me Nitrosol mixture no a meyɛɛ no first no, medze egu mo bowl no a mebɛyɛ me conditioner wɔ mu no mu. Nti medze guu mu wiei na mekan frɛ. Na ɔayɛ durdudu nti ɔwɔ dɛ medze nsu ka ho ntsi ɔmaa mede me Moringa water no a mafrɛ esi hɔ no. Moringa water before ma menkyerɛw how a wɔyɛ no. Ɛdze wo moringa powder ɛde bɛfra nsu na ɛde esi gya do ma oehur ara yie. Nti ohur yie a ɛna asɔ no do. Sɛ ɛsɔ no do wie a na ɛde esi hɔ ma ɔadwe na ɛde ayɛ w'adze a ɛpɛ dɛ ɛde yɛ. Nti dɛm na wɔyɛ moringa water. So I then mix my moringa water with my Nitrosol mixture and stirred very well to make sure it is well mixed. To make moringa water, you have to mix moringa powder with water, put it on fire to boil and then sieve very well. Allow it to cool down before you use it for anything that you want to use it for. Nti na ansa na mɔtoa do na mede me waxes no egu mu no, medze me black seed oil no medze gu mu first na maka afora yie. Sɛ wohwɛ a wohu dɛ Nitrosol no ama adze no ayɛ duruduru. Ɔno na ɔma wohu dɛ conditioner mfaso wɔ ho. Wei dei no ebotum de nsu bebree de egu mu ma adze no enya mfaso. Nti ɛdze nsu gu mu so ɔwɔ dɛ ɛhwɛ na ehu dɛ ɔnnyɛ nsu bebree. So as you can see, the Nitrosol powder is very thick. You can add more water. So if you are making it for sale, you can then add more water to get more profit. So after mixing the black seed oil, I then added my waxes to the solution or to my mixture in the bowl and then stirred very well. Te dɛ ma da biara meka no, sɛ ɛyɛ adze na sɛ biribi nnkɔ yie a mennto ngu. Menan me waxes no wiei no, na kɔɔse ara na minya. Nti no ɔmaa adze no obesi hɔ no ɔdae. Nti ka mubohu yɛ afora me Nitrosol me solution no, nka ɔwɔ dɛ mede si gya do bio ɛma anka ade no ɔyɛ wei. Wɔfrɛ no dɛn? Ɔsan nan yie ansa meehue. Mannyɛ no dɛm nti wohu dɛ white bi wowɔ mu. Nti mekaa frɛe no dɛm a. Nna muwie no mede me glycerine, vitamin E ɛna ɔnye me softener no a migyaa wɔ hɔ no a mamfa anngu mu ahyɛ ase no, medze ɔno nso medze ka ho. Ɛna mede nsu mede guu mu na mekaa frɛe yie ankasa. Muwie no mesan so mede me SLS which is rice powder no a no nso me rice powder nso mede nsu frɛe. Ɔno nso no medze kaa ho na menunuu ma ade no yɛɛ fine. Nti sɛ ɛhwɛ a ehu dɛ white bi ɛwowɔ adze no mu. So the mistake I did here was I had a call. So I went to pick the call. It took some time. So upon coming back, I should have put my waxes on fire, but I didn't and poured it into my Nitrosol solution. So that's why you are seeing some whitish something in the mixture. After mixing everything, I went ahead to add the color to it. Video wei a meyɛ na mistakes bebree wɔ mu tse dɛ ma meka no. Anytime a mɛyɛ video a mistake wɔ mu biara mede bɛkyerɛ hɔn na hɔn so woehu dɛ nnyɛ da biara na YouTubers wɔyɛ right. Sometimes yɛn so yɛyɛ mistakes but ɔno yɛ a wonntwa. Nti mepɛ dɛ metwa na wohu dɛ ade no ɛyɛ na sɛ mistake ba ho mpo a still yɛbotum na afa kwan bi do na ɛde acorrect. Wei dɛ yɛ a white dede me mɛyɛ ara nye dɛ mɔsɔ no do. Nti mesɔ no do wie a mede bɛgu me gallon no mu a na masɔ no do. Nti mesɔ no do a innhu dɛm white no ɛwɔ mu bio. Na mistake kor so a meyɛɛ nye dɛ phone wei meretwa no na meyare paa. Na meyare ankasa but na ɔyɛ obi so n'ade a ɔregye nti na ɔwɔ dɛ mehwɛ na meyɛ ma no nti ɔmaa meyɛɛ mistakes bebree ɛwɔ dɛm video yi mu. But still na mepɛ dɛ mede kyerɛ hɔn. Nti wei mistake so a meyɛɛ nye dɛ anka ɔwɔ dɛ mede me puhol no anaa me menthol crystal no anka mede fra me wax me tray no mede fra na anka ɔfra yie ba manyɛ nti ekyir mekae mede colour gum na mekae no ɛna mede wɔfrɛ no dɛn nsuhyew mede guu cup mu na mede menthol no anaa puhol no mede guu mu na meka fraeɛ ara ma ɔnane ansa na moruhɔ yi egu me conditioner no mu nti no da biara na obi yɛ video ɔyɛ right sometimes mistakes bebree wɔ ho like I said. Like I promised last time, I said anytime I make a video and there's a mistake, I will show it for you to see. So when I was making this video, I was very ill, but someone also needed it, so I had to do with it a sample. So I ended up making a lot of mistakes. I made about 3 mistakes in this video. I left the softener out early. I left menthol crystal and another thing which I forgot. I also left it out and later on I added it to it. So I wanted to show you not always YouTubers are not always right. Sometimes we also make mistakes but they don't show. So this is my way of encouraging people not to get distracted or disturbed when they are making a product and it does not go the way they want it. If you end up and the product is usable, why not? Why don't you go ahead and use it?